We didn't have a holistic view of our clients across the whole Health and Human Services agency. Our data was extremely siloed and inaccessible, whether that be for people in the public or for internal use within government. We couldn't really use it functionally. So from an open perspective for government, open data was really our first venture. How do we make the data more available so that people can use it? Both externally, obviously, but even internally, it's helped us find ways to make our data more useful for our own purposes. We do work regularly with advocates who are out there on the front lines looking at the problems, and we are hearing from them that it's valuable both in terms of targeting their efforts and finding where they can provide the most value and understanding what their client needs are as well.
Well, in recent years, there was a measles outbreak in Southern California, and part of the California Department of Public Health's response was to publish on the open data portal school immunization rates for parents to access. And data showed that subsequent to that publication, there was an increase in immunizations in many communities throughout Southern California, which of course led to a lower incidence of subsequent measles cases and better health outcomes for California. As a result of implementing open data, there's been an increased dialogue about the need for data standards and better data quality within the California Department of Public Health. And I'm encouraged by the many researchers and data scientists who are participating in those discussions.
One of the things that we've really seen transform with the open data effort is working with our programs to post that data not in a PDF, but in a usable format. So instead of having to send them a file, we're able to update the data on the open data portal and they're able to use it as they need to. We can include multiple years and it starts to be more interactive for folks and they can pick out the particular data table that they're interested in to look at it for their stakeholder group. The platform has been easy to use and has worked very quickly. We have some large data sets and we've been pleased with how fast those have processed and how easy they are to interact with.
I'm most excited about the outcomes that we can drive at our community level, and that means providing easier access to data, a more transparent government, as well as more efficient data analytics.
Through successes like the open data portal, through shared governance, we've been bringing more people into that fold, saying, look at the value and the benefit we've been able to provide to the public. The core of what we're trying to do is drive better outcomes out in the community and enable better decision making at the executive level and throughout state government.